So here it is, the Q60. Yes, sir. You got Jordan biking up in the way. You feel me? You see it? JB over there. The Q60. It's the quick walk around of it. This is where it got fucked up at. That bit got smothered. And look inside. Alright. Oh, he was saying, bro, the what's the name was showing me to open it, bro. It was some weird shit. Look, you gotta open it from the bottom.
Oh, what you mean?
I'm gonna show you.
Oh, by the cables?
Nah, like the hook. Where the hook at? Push the hook, the other, like. Yeah, you gotta push it all the way.
It's up, but it's not. It's not. Oh, no, that's just a lock.
Cause when we first got it, oh, right here. Watch. All right, I'll pull it.
Nah, I think this is open.
Got that bitch open. There it is. AQ. But yeah, he. This is cool. This is fun. But yeah, I just want to pull that out. Pull this bitch off. Cause he was like, yeah, you need the right fucking crash bar to like actually measure it. He said he got the whole specs. He got the whole specs of the cars, so he could.
I'll do that shit before I leave one day. Or in the morning. Yeah, fucking put the battery in.
Yeah. That shit ain't holding in. Barely.
Nah, put this shit there soon. Like the last thing you want is for any of this shit down here to get wet, bro.
What, down there?
This creates a seal on here. I say a lot of time water running here and pull up. Get into this. It's called IPDM. It's wire.
Electrical
There's a
shit.
lot of stuff in there, bro. You don't
Yeah, y'all see it though. Tire flat. Yes, sir. Yeah. Let's see if that bitch start. Yeah. You see what I'm saying? I was thinking the power steering.
It's a part, man. It's probably very little fluid in that shit.
That bitch.
It's quiet. The motor's quiet, man.
Yeah. Hey, you need batteries? You need batteries?
Bro, all that shit's. They're just trying to fix this shit themselves or what, bro?
I don't even know.
This thing is there.
We got brake fluid, all that. Steel.
Trunk clean too.
Just feel how the clutch feel.
doing engagement and shit.
Yeah.
And too many lights on.
This JB, his LCR, and the IS that IS been down for a couple months, but IS gonna be back soon. Clutch felt loose, didn't it? You said not really?
Those feel kind of soft.
Oh.
A little soft.
I turned it on, but I ain't make it sit for a minute to see.
I'm watching the tip.
Huh?
I'm watching the tip, seeing what all that shit does. I wish you got navigation too. Fuck.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
It's like a good trim package. I don't know if all the sports came with navigation. I don't think so.
Probably the S, because it's an S.
I don't know if all the sports came with that shit though.
Yeah.
I can't remember. I'm not.
This is it. I think this shit probably went out of place.
Yeah, but the thing is because the window though. Check it out.
Oh, because it ain't had no fucking.
You should just click behind it. You should
Yeah. And this shit gotta probably. It's minor work.
Once he pulls it and gets everything back in the spec, that
Yeah.
might, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Sure. It's dirty as fuck, but y'all gonna see the whole fucking process. Y'all gonna see the whole process. Y'all gonna see the whole process when this shit get fixed. Got JB Performance. Hey Jordan, they already gonna know who you is, cause remember we made the video at the car meet. I posted that shit. I was thinking about just go aftermarket since I need another light.
Headlights?
Yeah.
Equal headlights. They'll be pretty cheap too.
Yeah. Yeah, them just be sticking.
Try to get one.
That shit gonna get there. I think this tire got a slow leak or something.
Mine. Oh, I didn't have this shit on there already. They probably got a slow leak low key.
Yeah.
Should be enough to move it around.
Yeah. You wanna take that bitch for a spin?
Drive it? Shit, I don't know.
Or just turn that. I'll turn that bitch around.
Yeah, fuck it, turn around. It's good, bro.
Oh, that bitch died.
Oh, you know why?
What?
The fucking airbox and shit's cracked.
Oh,
So it's taking in like a bunch of more air.
then it need to?
Taking in all sorts of fucking air.
Shit, don't mind me if I stall. Hopefully I don't stall, bitch. I haven't driven man in a minute.
Don't fucking hit nothing.
I ain't gonna hit no, bro. Trust, best believe that.
That's it.
push down. They be in that bit.
First camera works.
Yes, sir. It seems straight.
Oh, wow, I don't think the radiator's cracked, but that bitch is bit for sure. We won't know until we take it out.
Oh, okay.
AC line is definitely cracked.
It looked like it was bent somewhere.
Somewhere the AC line is cracked. I don't know where, but somewhere I should find.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. I was gonna call Terrell too.
Just called me. Bitch, I ain't finna pull no fuses. You ain't finna pull that shit. See what happens. We use it.
You make that shit do burnouts. That fucking dirt. Bro, it looked like he changed the rear lights. Like the reverse lights.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Probably. Oh, you are? Not off the top of my head.
Ask me about the now.
Oh yeah. He blew it up and he built it again. Yeah.
They did a Z1 build on his G37. He has a G37 code.
Bro, Terrell, your 37 had navigation?
They all do.
They all do?
Oh, you sure? All sports?
All sports for sure.
Oh, okay. Maybe. I didn't know.
Yeah, all S's for sure.
I'll be paying attention to that shit.
But non-S's don't have that shit.
Yeah.
It just comes with different buttons.
Your shit was older, right? What year is yours?
09.
Oh yeah, because it didn't have the Your shit has actual Bluetooth, Sean. I think.
Oh, you got Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Terrell's shit had. Well, it was just a phone, right?
Halfway through 2010, they updated it to where it has Bluetooth playback. But early 2010 and lower, they don't have Bluetooth playback. They just have
Let me see. How you?
I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You can take
Fucking crash bar off. Y'all see this side? That's what it's supposed to look like. And that's what's got the fuck going on. Y'all see? Well, I'm bringing it to the body guy. There's no way in hell I could pull that shit out.